What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have Geo Group. I'm going to start from the 3-month chart here and just do a quick top-down analysis, okay? So what can we see right here is definitely just a break right here. That's definitely about on this time frame. Then we could go on the monthly. On the monthly, we are just for like coming down from here, so we're in this range. Okay, weekly. We had a shift on the weekly here. Now we're coming back into this demand, which is fine. Then at least where I would love to see a shift on this weekly is going to be this high. But then let's just go to the daily time frame. So we have break here, aiming for these highs. Where we already kind of did manage to break through. Again, we are our favorite are buys, so we broke again to the downside here. So I would love to see a breakout like this and just continuation to the upside. So this is my opinion. Have a wonderful day. And